Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Today is the January monthly tech roundup, which will cover products, programs, and services coming out in 2022. So the presentation contents, first we'll do a little introduction, then we'll talk about new tech products that released, then some new programs or services that are being released, and then additional resources. So introduction. The monthly Tech Roundup session aims to provide recommendations on the newest technological products, programs, and services this month. So there are a wide variety of tech products and services to address different needs and uses. Information including where to buy these items is covered in the presentation. So new products. Here are 4 new tech products that are releasing in January: the TCL NXT Paper 10, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, the Garmin Venu 2 Plus smartwatch, and the Evolve AI hearing aids. So first, the TCL NXT Paper 10. So this is an affordable Android tablet from electronics maker TCL. It has a 10.1-inch Full HD paper-like display. 10.1 inches for a tablet is somewhere in the mid-range. It has 64 gigabytes of storage. The tablet also has an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and a dual speaker setup. So this tablet has a minimal design and a square camera bump on the back. The battery is pretty big. It's 8,000 milliamp hours, and it has 18-watt fast charging support. There are 2 models, one with Wi-Fi connectivity and the higher end variant with LTE capabilities, which means you can put a SIM card into it and use data. So where to buy this tablet? The predicted price of the NXT Paper 10 is $249. The product is being released later in January and will most likely be available at well-known tech stores such as Best Buy, Walmart, and The Source. So next, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE smartphone. S21 FE is a budget-friendly version of the original Galaxy S21, which was released in January of last year, I believe. It's $100 cheaper than the regular S21, even though it shares the same Snapdragon 888 chipset, which means the performance will be approximately the same. It delivers support for 5G. It has a pro-grade camera, of course, and it has seamless integration with other Samsung Galaxy devices with a refined design. And it's also available in many colors, some of which were not originally available on the S21, I believe. So this product is being released on January 11th. The smartphone is confirmed to be available from the following retailers on the release dates, including Best Buy and Verizon. However, you'll probably see it on many Canadian carrier websites and stores as well. So next we have the Venu 2 Plus smartwatch from Garmin. This latest smartwatch is from fitness technology company Garmin. It includes a microphone and voice assistant integration to the Venu 2 smartwatch. Siri is available when connected via Bluetooth to an iPhone. You can send messages, make phone calls, answer queries, and more. And there is also support for Google Assistant in Android and Bixby in Galaxy devices. So there are several health tracking capabilities of this smartwatch, including heart rate, respiration, daily energy levels, stress, sleep, and built-in pulse oximeter. So the fitness focus of this watch includes built-in sports apps and animated on-screen workouts for you to follow along. So the watch face measures at 43 millimeters. It has a round watch face that sets it apart from the Apple Watch, which has a sort of square with rounded corners. The battery life of the Venu 2 Plus is up to 9 days, which is significantly more than the Apple Watch. The latest Apple Watch Series 7 has a battery life of around 18 hours at best. And the Garmin watch is also compatible with Apple and Android devices, whereas the Apple Watch is limited to iPhone devices or Apple devices only. So the Garmin Venu 2 Plus was released on January 4th. It's available on the Garmin website for $450. Alternatively, you can buy it online or in-store at Best Buy. So next, we have the Evolve AI hearing aids. The Evolve AI hearing aids are made by the company Starkey. They're their newest and best hearing aids recommended in January of 2022. The exceptional sound quality supports effortless hearing with 40% noise energy reduction. Evolve AI, built into the hearing aids, is updated to deliver two-way audio in every wireless style, which means the hearing aid microphones can pick up and stream your voice directly back to your iPhone or your iPad, allowing you to seamlessly talk hands-free. It's sort of like using your hearing aids as a microphone headset. So you can either go to the product website or find a provider for this product on the link posted. So this third section is about new programs and services. So here we have Arlo Smart Home Security, Present, Meditation for All, which is an app, and Magical Calendar. So Arlo Smart Home Security is the winner of the 2021 CES Innovation Award. CES stands for Consumer Electronics Show, and that's been taking place all throughout January. The system offers industry-leading services with integrated features. It's a simple DIY security monitoring solution. You can put it anywhere without hard wiring, and it's only 1.1 inches, which means it's really compact. It features a first-of-its-kind all-in-one multi-sensor capable of 8 different sensing functions. It can do motion recognition, door and window openings, and tilt water leaks, light and temperature changes, and T3 and T4 smoke/carbon monoxide alarm patterns. The system works with Arlo security camera devices, the Arlo mobile app, and the Arlo Secure Service Plan. So you can read more about this new service at the link. The product was announced on January 3rd, and the system, which you can see in the picture down here, will become available at tech retailers such as the Arlo website or Best Buy. So next is Present, Meditation for All. And this is a free smartphone, tablet, and computer application dedicated to helping people resync their ambitions. It's an app exclusively for iOS, released on January 3rd, 2022. The app provides guided meditations and mindfulness practices. So it helps user to find clarity and presence in life, as well as form new healthy habits and strengthen current ones. It will help you increase your positivity and decrease negativity throughout exercises. It's great for staying healthy during the pandemic. So this app is currently only available on Apple devices. So in order to find it, you can go to the App Store, search Present Meditation for All, click the Get button, and wait for the application to download. So here's an image of the layout of the app. So you select your goal, which is shown here. You choose what you want to practice, and then you follow along with the audio cues and guided meditations. So number 3 for programs and services is Magical Calendar. This is a brand new calendar platform and program. Magical fundamentally redefines the work calendar, enabling highly effective people to take back control of their time without the busy work. The official date is not released yet. All we know that is coming soon in January 2022. So here is an image of the overall layout. You can see The layout looks similar to most calendars. However, there's a People tab. You can see your contacts for quick access and stuff like that. So if you want to find out more about this, you can go to the magical website to take a tour and scroll around. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can sign up for early access. Type in your email address here to be notified when you could be able to actually try it out before its release. So finally, additional resources. So Tech Radar. Tech Radar is a website, and it's the source for tech buying advice and staying up to date with new tech products, programs, and services. The site is updated daily with new content, and the platform provides great resources for all things tech related. Next is the CES 2022 webpage. CES is the most influential tech event in the world. It's an event that provides a global audience access to major brands and startups, including brand new tech products, programs, and services. Look at the website to see the newest tech that's been released. So thank you all for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with Cyber Seniors Mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call the number to register for a one-on-one phone session.